Hi guys, it's Faye. I'm back for the second video to show you what zoom looks like in my Tesla. Thank you so much for the recommendation to step outside and see how they perform if I'm actually under daylight or sunlight. It looks much better. So here I'm going to show you what it appears to be, and so you can make an informed decision to see if you want to use zoom inside your Tesla, when and how. All right, something new learned today. Right now I'm in driving mode, but obviously it's on hold at the moment. So the moment I press zoom, it says video is only available while in parked. So now I'm gonna park the car like this. Now video is available, but you'll notice something else because my mom is sitting here. If she doesn't put on her seatbelt, what happens is this control here is now being taken over by Tesla. So she's gonna put on her seatbelt. Yet now zoom is available, just so something that you should be aware of. Okay, now let's start video. Okay, now guys, because I have pulled the car outside of my garage, you can see now the video is much better and it's in color. In terms of quality, I don't think it's very good. It certainly isn't as good as, say, on your phone, your iPad, or your computer, but it's also not terrible. It is in color. If you have to guess, my mom's wearing a red jacket. I'm wearing a black jacket. So just so you see the quality, my frames are in kind of deep purple here. And you can see this is where the camera is. And I just want to show you the quality. So again, it's not terrible. And if I have to say it, I mean, I feel like even in a darker environment, by the way, when I recorded the first video, my garage light was on and it wasn't super, pitch black. But this is going to be the real quality. And thank you guys for asking me to come outside. This is a beautiful panoramic view right here. So that's it. I hope you find this helpful and let me know in the comments below whether you want to consider using this or not. Bye guys, this is Faye from Feisworld Media, and I'll see you next time. It's so weird to be talking to a camera that's right here. But yeah, let me know how it goes.